Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model TF5589-B in color code 003. It's a black crystal, dark ruthenium frame. On the temples here we have a silver Tom Ford emblem and a dark ruthenium temple tip with the Tom Ford logo. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Japan. This is the other side of the temple with the same Tom Ford emblem in silver and a dark ruthenium Tom Ford temple tip. The lenses are a blue block filter, and on the top left lens, it has a Tom Ford logo. These are demo lenses. They are RXable. Up here I have a Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.